Hello and welcome back to the most nasally voice on YouTube today. So I was going to do a video where I reversed Discord and showed you all the cool stuff that was inside of it, but I realized after looking through it that there was something way better and way cooler I could do. Because Discord is based off of this magical thing called Electron, which is essentially a web browser, and it makes it easier for developers to make their application cross-platform. And they generally use this, so let's say I have some sort of application and needs to be pushed out to all these different platforms immediately. Instead of hard coding it for every single platform, I can just do it in fucking Node.js and not have to spend years dealing with C++'s bullshit with different operating systems. So Electron is not a great idea if you're going to do large applications like this, especially if one of your key points is like speed, because Electron's horrible with that. Imagine having a whole separate web browser open just for your chat applications. That's essentially what Electron is doing. But this has some unexpected results. And so that brings me to what I have today. Drum roll, please. Who wants Discord's source code? Dead serious, it's in there, and I'll show you how. So if you go to app data, local Discord, and then whatever your newest version of Discord is, you'll see a folder called resources. And in that resources folder, you're going to have three files. You're going to have a folder named Bootstrap, and then you'll have app.asar and electron.asar. An ASAR file is just like a tar.gz style set of files that's been pickled all together. It's essentially Electron's special snowflake way of storing things that only it uses and no one else wants to deal with its bullshit because, let's face it, it's a really shitty file format. So that app.asar file, that is the whole source code for the Discord client. It's not actually all that much because the Electron end of it is literally just a loading screen and an updater that brings you to the Discord's website. Anyways, if you open up that file, which is actually pretty easy, you just go to the npm install ASAR, and then you can just use the ASAR E extract and then your ASAR file to whatever folder. And you're going to get some interesting things in there. There's, well, the JavaScript source code. It's really not all that much, as I said earlier. It's just really a loading screen. You can tell that whatever they specify in this has some sort of effect on the final page because I think CSS is specified. But this can actually have some interesting results. Because we can unpack the source code of Discord and we can modify it, we can have some fun things. So you can go into videos, and there's that splash GIF loading thing that's connecting.webm, and you can replace it with whatever fucking webm you want. I made some random bullshit K-on webm because that's the only one I had on time. And you can just go in and you can generally fuck shit up. You want to edit the CSS of that splash page? Great. You want to edit how it does updating practices? Great. You want to edit what web page it goes to? You want to make it so it doesn't actually go to Discord, it goes to your fucking website? Great. You can do all sorts of fun shit with this. You know, and this is not a testament to how shit Discord is. This is a testament to how shit Electron applications are in general. Look, this is just not a good idea. And just to prove that making an application like this is not a great idea, I've got a challenge for all the people who view this video. So in the description of this video, I have put a random ASAR file. And so I encourage you to go to your app data folder, your local folder, Discord, and then the app 0297, which is the current version, I believe. Go into resources and replace that app.asar with my own and have some fun results.